All right, let's make some noise. No, let's make some hummus. All right, what do we got here for hummus? We got a blender. Let's go with the blender. We got some chickpeas, garbanzo beans. Let's get that going. One goes in. Second one, just going to drop a little bit of that liquid out of there so we can have a little bit firmer hummus. All right, things we'll deal with in a minute. Let's get some lemons going. In fact, I'm probably just going to go with the one today. I'm going to just drop this in here. Okay, get some lemon rind in. All right, get some lemon in there. And then we're going to chop it up a little bit. That'll do. Squeeze it through the fingers to catch the lemon seeds. Trying to get into the hummus. Right, here's on. All right, let's get that done. Okay, Yan. Just enough to give it some heat. A little bit of cumin. Not too much. Okay. Let me grab some garlic. It's too small. 2 of them. All right, tahini. I need some tahini. I like lots of tahini. So we're gonna go with some sesame seed tahini. I don't know if there's any other kind of tahini. Put that bad boy up there. Put some of this in. You gotta stir it up first. Just gonna put 4 of these guys in here. Get that done. All right. Exactly 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, where's my lid? There we go. Turn it on. Start it slowly. Build up. About 45 seconds should do it. That's some fine hummus right there. You can make it runnier if you like. Add some extra liquid. Otherwise, we're in good shape. I make exactly enough to fit in this bowl.
They're so good.
Done.